Hi guys, welcome back to the question set 45 of the series of DBMS 1. So let's get started with the first question. So this set is the continuation of the previous question set. So let's get started now. All the teachers in the school teach one subject or several subjects. Create a table called a teacher has subjects to store information on all the subjects that teachers teach. In the initial stage of this software, the principal decided to store the details of the teachers who teach only the main subject of grade 9. Follow the instructions below to create this table. Use DDL Query to create this table. So we have to adhere to these following conditions. So let's get started. So I'm using MySQL command line client. So here we have to give the database password. So before creating the table, you have to first select the database first. Running school DB, then only you can create a table. So here you can see create table, teacher, subject, and here we have to create the foreign key as well. So here we have created the foreign key, subject ID and reference. So let's execute and see. So here you can see teacher has subject has been created. So let's move on to the next question. So here it says that it is necessary to add a column named ID to the table name teacher has subject, which is created to store all the subjects taught by the teachers. The column you add is with the primary key, and your team leader has said that auto increment is mandatory. Name the DDL query required for that. Use that query to add a column to the teacher has subject table. So if you want to add a new column, you have to type alter. So we have to change the table, alter table, and give the table name and add column, and give the column name and the specific data type, the primary key, auto increment, and not map features. So let's execute. So here you can see one new ID column has been added to the teacher has subject table. So let's move on to the third question, which says it is compulsory for all students in grade 9 of school to learn all the major subjects. Create a table name student has subject to store that information. To do so, follow the instructions given below. So here we have to adhere to the following instructions. So let's get started. So here we have to create the student has subject table with subject ID and student ID as the column names. So here you can see the student has subjects, subject ID, student ID, and I have created the foreign two keys as well. So let's execute and see. So here you can see the new table. Student has subject has been added to the database. So for the final question, students need to add a column named ID in the table. Name student has subject, which is created to store all the subjects they are learning. Your team leader says that the column you add must be a primary key and that the column must be auto increment. You either record DDL query, add that column to the student has subject table using that code. So it is the same query as before. So here we have to add one column name ID. So here we have to write all the table student, the table name, and add column in ID, int, primary key, auto increment, and whatnot. So let's execute and see. Student has subject. So here you can see the ID, new ID column here. So that's it for the question set 45. See you soon from set 46. Thank you.